All the cops. This guy's crazy. He's on something. I can't even
see. This driver's clearly in a hurry. Maybe he got a notification DDS uploaded a new video. Jokes aside, it does seem like an honest emergency rush to the hospital kind of driving. While I don't support this kind of driving, I'd understand why if it was truly an emergency.
Whoa! What the hell? What are you hugging?
Seriously though, what's going on here? Were they trying to surround the camera? It's crazy, 2 different cars cut off the camera.
Don't you just love it when they don't have no address on their crib? They can buy the suspensive green camera, but can't get no damn letters on their damn address. Ain't that got the expensive ass car? Can't get no letters on your address. That shit, wow. Everybody else got an address.
This delivery driver was upset at a home with a hard-to-see address. While I can't relate, my delivery driver and paramedic friends would likely sympathize with his frustration.
Yo, this Olympic sport, bro.
Folks, this is the Steph Curry of sanitation.
Idiot. My God.
Exit the roundabout.
You fucking freak. Fucking wanker. Fuck you doing? What was that about? That lane's to go left.
Você nereye torce? Você chacoalha isso. Торта, ты шакоти, типа, знаешь, типа, как се намударва. Така. Когато се като намударва. И си взимам къде?
Those triumphant scenes. Amazing night for Ukraine, and it has to be said, 2 super goals, Chris.
Yeah, 2 fantastic goals. You know, I think you look at the first one, taken so well. Zinchenko strikes it. Yarmolenko makes it a little bit of quality, but then Zinchenko's that creates a fantastic ball. But don't think.
Speak to that.